In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the project management form. Project management form is for storing all your records from projects. So let's start. We're on the home page, Start New. It's under Operations, Project Management. This form opens. I'll just input some data and we'll have a look at it. So I've put today's date in, and here's the name of the project, and it's got a project number as well. And I've entered myself as the project manager. Now in the comments section here, I've just noted the type of documents that I'm uploading, and I'm going to upload them down here. So I'm going to enter some quality records. Let's just upload that one. Safety record, and I've uploaded some contractor records as well. Okay, and the reason that I've put the comment there is just so when I come back and look at the record, it's easy to find. So what this document is a way of entering records and saving them so you can easily find them. Now, what if you got more than one quality record to enter here? Okay, we'll see this little button here, the little down arrow. If I click on that, I can insert. I'm going to choose another file to upload. Okay, and I can do that as many times as I like. All right, so for all of these, you can just enter as many documents as you like just by choosing this little down arrow. Okay, so we finish with that form. So we'll submit it, and all we need to do is complete that one. So we click Route. All right. Now let's go and see where the record of that is. It's going to be, we'll go back to the home page, and the records are down here in Applications. So it's under Operations, remember. So we'll open that up, and it's going to be down here under Project Management by Project. So there's today's record, the Sydney Harbour Bridge project. Now, I imagine that the best way to use this would be to enter lots of different records each day, or however you want to do it, into the project. So you could find them all in there. And don't forget, you can use the search tool to find Sydney Harbour project, etc. Anyway, that is how we use the project management form.